4 shot, 2 fatally during bar attack in St. Mary. Female shot and killed in Mandeville identified. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 4 men were shot, 2 fatally at a bar in Dover District, Onoto Bay, St. Mary on Friday night. The identities of the deceased have not yet been ascertained. Preliminary reports are that about 7:30 p.m., 4 men were at a bar when they were attacked by unknown assailants and shot. They were assisted to the hospital where 2 of them succumbed to their injuries while undergoing treatment. The St. Mary police have since launched a probe into the gun attack. The woman who was shot and killed in Mandeville on Saturday has been identified. She is 29-year-old Delisha Falconer, otherwise called Drama, a resident of Burns Savannah in St. Elizabeth. Falconer was reportedly an exotic dancer. Reports are that around 6:30 a.m., the victims were walking in the vicinity of a popular restaurant when they were pounced upon by gunmen. The man was shot multiple times in the upper body and was rushed to the hospital. Drama died on the spot. The police are probing reports that the man, who has reportedly had several run-ins with the law in the past, may have been the intended target of the shooters who carried out the gun attack in the area.